Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Raya, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to follow the trend where one YouTuber copies another YouTuber's look. So for today, we're gonna start with the makeup chair, and I'm going to follow her Thanksgiving makeup tutorial way back 2016, I think. So I chose her to be the first one in this series because when I started doing makeup, when I started getting hooked with makeup, she was the first beauty YouTuber that I followed here on YouTube. So it's fitting, right, to start this series with her. So if you wanna learn how to do it Sinead Katie's way, then please keep on watching. So in this tutorial, she already got her base on and her brows, so I did it off cam too. So now we'll proceed to the eyes.
Today's look has been highly requested. It's this golden cranberry toned smoky eye, perfect for this time of year, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with a creamy base. This is going to give our eyeshadow something to hold on to, and it's also going to give us a
Oh, so she's using a Maybelline cream tattoo for the base on her lids, but unfortunately I don't have that kind of product, so I'm going to use a strobing kit, and I'll just put it on my lid. Maybe this dark shade here, and that's what I'll use for my base.
I like to apply it with a synthetic brush and then use my fingertips to soften it out.
Then she used her fingertips to blend to soften it out. So we're going to do that. We're trying to be her copycat today.
I'm actually going to use my eyeliner next. It might seem a little bit strange, but this is going to create the shape for our eyeshadows later. We're going to create a very simple cat eye effect that we're going to use as a shaping point for the rest of our eyeshadows.
She's going next with an eyeliner. This is very scary. But we'll do what she does. So she's doing a winged eyeliner. I'll do the other eye off cam.
I'm also using a pencil eyeliner on the upper and lower waterline to start off this really smoky look.
Then she took a pencil eyeliner. Oh my god, she's really trying to, challenge my capabilities because I don't usually put pencil eyeliners on my waterline, but okay, we'll do that. It feels strange, but we'll do that.
Using Raven by NYX on the E10 by BLANKCANVASCOSMETICS, I'm going to sweep this over the liner. This is going to make the liner look like it's smudged outwards, but it's actually just the eyeshadow.
Found a similar one. I think it's this one. Okay, so she took some of that and then so she's sweeping it on the edge of the liner to make it look smudged.
Then mixing up a maroon shade and a raspberry shade on the same brush, I'm going to work this on the outer corner right where that wing is. This is going to create that nice shape for us, so work with the wing and work in the direction.
Now we have all that drama going on. She took a raspberry and maroon shade, but the closest colors I have are these, so we're gonna do that. We're just gonna mix it with the same brush I used earlier and directly put it where you smoked the eyeliner. It's not showing up.
I'm going to to go in with a golden shade and apply this on the inner corner of the eye, and then matching up with that pink shade on the edge. Now work with these eyeshadows, building each up a little bit at a time. It's really up to yourself.
I think the look that we came up with is more dramatic than hers, but Sinead, you are much more talented than I ever will be, so bear with me. So next she took a golden shade for her lids, and I think she's using the same brush, so we're gonna use the same brush as well. And then she put it in her inner lid, connecting it to the drama we have over here. So let's just work it. Oh, I think it's a dupe for the one she's using. Ow! I poke my eye! Oh well. I'll just build this color up off.
Whether you want it to be very raspberry or very golden, build it up to how you like it, but always keep a grounded color. This is our mid-tone. It's just going to keep the eyeshadows nice and softly blended.
Then she used a mid-tone so that the colors would be blended well together.
I'm going to go with a little bit more of the golden shade, but you can always add in a hint of that pink as well. I'm also going to use Raven to slightly darken up my eyeliner, pushing this right at the lash line over where we applied the wing.
For the lower lash line, she went in with that golden shade. Why is it not showing up? And a little bit of that pink drama we have on top. Then she used that same gray, so to push the eyeliner to make it darker. Nice.
Taking Mary Luminizer by the balm, I'm applying this on the inner corner of the eye to get that beautiful fading effect. Curl your eyelashes and apply some mascara, and I also applied some false eyelashes with this look.
I don't have the Mary Luminizer by the balm, so I'm just going to take my Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and that's what I'm going to highlight my inner corners with. Curling the lashes like that. Knowing Sinead, she never skips false eyelashes because she loves them. So, I'm going to do false eyelashes today. Yes, Sinead KD really makes me step out of my comfort zone, but for the love of her, I'm going to do it. Finally, the struggle is over. I've put the false eyelashes on, and then we're going to proceed to contouring.
Face, I'm keeping it very simple. I want to just make sure the eyes and the lips are the main focus, so I'm just contouring my face as I normally would. I'm also going to highlight the top of my cheekbones with the same highlighter that we used in the inner corner of the eye, but I'm not applying.
Since we have all the drama going on in the eyes, we're not going to do a heavy contour, just like what Sinead is doing. So you might confuse me. The Makeup Chair is her YouTube account, and Sinead KD is her real name. So what this is gonna do is just adding a slight definition to the face so that you don't go completely matte and flat. Just to have a good structure to your face. She did her highlight too with the same highlighter. She used the Mary Luminizer. So I'm just going to do my highlight with the Essence Pure Nude. Look at that! For a drugstore product, it's very, you know, amazing. It has amazing quality. Nothing too overpowering, just putting some glow to your face.
Blush. I never apply blush when I'm using this sort of lipstick because all it does is draw attention away from the lips. And I'm using a custom blend of 2 lipsticks. These are really affordable lipsticks, so you can customize this as much as you want, as dark as you want or as red as you want. I'm using a wine shade and a blackberry shade and mixing it up to find the perfect blend. And there you go, that's the look complete. It's very easy to create this look.
Okay, so she mixed a wine shade and a blackberry shade to find a perfect match or perfect color mix. So I'm using the Maybelline Burgundy blush and I'll top it off with Fashion 21's Rosette. Fashion 21 is a local brand available in the Philippines. So with the burgundy color, I'll just use it to line my lips. And topping it off with this lipstick. Now this. So this is the final look, you guys, and I'm very happy with the results. As you can see, I am not a professional makeup artist, but following her steps, following her tutorial made it very easy for me to recreate this look, and I love how it turned out to be. I love the dramatic smoky eye going on paired with the bold lip. I think it's pretty good for occasions, for parties, for events, or for any school programs that you have that requires you to have dramatic looks. So if you enjoyed this video as much as I had fun creating it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. And before I let you go, I would like to share this to you. A friend is someone who understands your past, believes in your future, and accepts who you are in the present. And of course, I would like to thank Sinead KD for doing makeup tutorials, for helping beginners like me to get to know makeup better, to get to have makeup lessons even though we don't have the means to pay for professional makeup artistry. I really am very grateful for her because without Sinead KD, I would not have the means to know how makeup is applied, how the usual shebang works. So I'm really thankful for her. Next video is dedicated to her best friend, Makeup by Sass. So stay tuned.